Vancouver Mayor Ken Sim, thanks for joining us on this difficult day for your city. How are you feeling tonight about everything that's happened?
I think I'm feeling like pretty much every single Vancouverite feels like right now, devastated, heartbroken, scared, angry. It's been what happened last night was absolutely horrific, and just families are devastated. A little kid, um, was one of the fatalities. A 5-year-old, ranging to 65 years old. It's just a terrible, terrible time right now,
Yeah.
for the community and for Vancouver.
Yeah, it absolutely is. The Vancouver Police Department says the driver has a history of mental health issues and that they have had contact with him. And you've said you're going to push for reform. I know it's early, but what are you proposing?
Yeah, the first thing I want to do is, we just want to send our hearts and our thoughts to the entire Filipino community, and the residents of Vancouver as well. This has just been a really tough time. And our focus at the city is just making sure that people that are affected get the services and the support they need. There will be a lot of time in the upcoming days and weeks to talk about what needs to be done. We'll have some really hard conversations. Don't worry about that. But I think from a very general perspective, we do have people that have mental health challenges that are significant, that shouldn't be directing their own care. And if the situation is another one of them, you can see what happens when this stuff goes unchecked. And cities, Vancouver, we're not alone. Cities across this great country of ours, we do not have the jurisdiction to take care of people. We are not healthcare. That's a provincial responsibility with federal support. We need senior levels of government to step up and help us address these issues, or there are going to be more press conferences like the one you saw today across this country.
Yeah, so this is not the first time you've called for more mental health support after incidents that have been shocking. None with the death toll of this one, but still, there have been some other shocking incidents. Do you think it can be dealt with? Do you think these types of incidents can be reduced?
I truly believe so. At the end of the day, it seems like we repeat history. This wasn't the first time. It's just the sheer size of it has been absolutely devastating.
I can't imagine the impact this is having on the families of the victims, on the people who are in hospital tonight. The age range you talked about of the people who died, 5 to in their 60s. What message do you have for the victims and families?
Look, our hearts and our thoughts go out to all the victims, their families, their friends. You're part of our family. You're our friends, and this is the community that we all live in. And we're with you. We see you, and we'll always be here for you. And it's a really devastating time. And all I want to say is we love you, and we'll always be here for you.
You described this as the darkest day for your city, for our city, Vancouver. What impact do you think this is going to have on Vancouver?
I know we're going to get through this. So I just want to put that out. It's not going to be easy. There are going to be a lot of tears, a lot of sorrow, a lot of sadness. But we'll get through this. And it's going to take a lot of work. To first make sure that people have the support they need, but then working and demanding from senior levels of government, enough's enough, and we really need to take this seriously, and we need to do something about this, because if not, there's going to be more sorrow in the future, and there's going to be a lot of sadness, and there's going to be a lot of hurt. And that's not the city or the province or the country that I want to live in. And, come hell or high water, we will fight to make sure that, we make this a better place.
Mayor Sim, thanks for speaking with us.
Thank you very much, Ian.